guys, welcome back to my channel. I have decided to do a try not to laugh challenge, funny animal compilation. So I am going to have 3 lives. I'm going to put them right over here. And I think mine are going to be a cute little doggy face, so like an emoji, like the doggy emoji. But let's get started.
Feel the heat between us two. I'm no right, I'm no right, I'm no right. With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Drop the bass. Yes. So crazy. And you be on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
That was the life. That's so cute.
You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a promise of anything you say. Una vaina loca que me lleva a la gloria. Nunca he sentido nada como
The turtle got moves. Dang it, I laughed. Oh no. No. That's cool, but I want to spiders. Run! If you getting chased with no shoes on. Dancing in the rain. Cause you had a bad day. Take one down. Sing a sad song. Just sing my. Who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar. How can I? Okay, ain't nobody fucking with my click, 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 click. I believe I can fly. Woo. I believe. Can we just talk? Oh hell no! I think I lost like all my lives by now, I'm pretty sure. That's adorable. It's a hedgehog.
Mama, she told me
don't
worry about
the kitty
anything
It's Garfield.
I can do better. I can do anything better than you.
The cat.
Tiptoeing in my Jordan. I done came.
Oh.
Always been a damn player, and it's always a fuck nigga hating. Always.
Oh, no. See, if this was a try not to stay on challenge with all the cats and all that, it'd be hard, because I probably lost that challenge.
My squad, bitch, I'm down for my squad. Don't care about no problem. I only.
Oh, the cat! Little piggy. I remember when I was little, I used to ask my mom, can I get like a little, like one of those little piggies? Because they're so cute. I've always wanted a pet pig. It'd be adorable. Of course, we had 3 dogs at the time, so they would probably think it would be food. But let's continue with the video.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Oh, it's a panda.
Trying to catch me riding.
Oh, is that a... I think that's a rat. I don't know. Oh no! It's an anteater! Oh, it's a chihuahua.
Let me see you bounce right and let you show.
Oh, Ninja Bear. Oh, it's just laughing again.
Drop it low, girl.
It's a pug.
Drop it low, girl. Drop it
No.
Drop it low.
A mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
Oh god. Oh, not a stingray. Oh, it's a no!
Wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Oh, that looks like torture. It looks like the dog's doing it. Go! Go, dog! I can't do that. Oh no.
What you want me to do with this? Eat it? Happy birthday to the ground!
Oh, look at that cat. Oh, that's adorable. With little food on. Oh.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
It's a good panda. Dancing. That's adorable. I give up with the try not to laugh challenge at this point. No. It's doing yoga. Oh.
Hello. Yeah. Tiptoeing in my Jordans. Kinda came time. That's the way I ain't
Is that a squirrel bearing its doing a dog?
See me rolling,
Oh.
they hate it.
See? All animals can be friends some way or another. Oh, I don't like snakes. That snake looks like it's freaking out though. Oh no. I feel like some cats have like a human soul inside of them. It's weird to think about, but I feel like that is what it is because it sounds like they're actually talking. Then again, some dogs sound like that. They have human souls inside of them. I am so tired. But that is all for today. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below what other challenges you would want me to do. Thanks. Bye.